Understanding Stock Trade. A Beginner's Guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in the world of finance: stock trade. Whether you're a budding investor or just curious about how the stock market works, this video is for you. So, let's dive in and unravel the mysteries of stock trading. Before we delve into stock trading, it's crucial to understand what a stock is. A stock represents partial ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company. Stocks are also known as shares or equity. Companies issue stocks to raise money for various purposes, like expanding their business or developing new products. Stock trading is the act of buying and selling stocks in the stock market. Traders buy stocks with the hope that their value will increase over time, allowing them to sell at a higher price and make a profit. Conversely, they may sell stocks they believe will decrease in value to avoid losses. The stock market is a network of exchanges, like the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, or the Nasdaq, where these transactions take place. There are mainly two types of stock trades. 1. Long position. This is when you buy a stock expecting its price to rise. You're going long. 2. Short selling. A more advanced technique where you borrow and sell a stock you don't own, hoping to buy it back later at a lower price and pocket the difference. To trade stocks, you need a brokerage account. This is an account you set up with a firm that buys and sells stocks on your behalf. Once you have an account, you can place stock orders, which are instructions to buy or sell. The two main types of orders are: 1. Market order. Buys or sells a stock immediately at the current market price. 2. Limit order. Sets a specific price at which you want to buy or sell a stock. Stock trading can be profitable, but it comes with risks. The value of stocks can go up and down due to various factors like economic changes, company performance, and market trends. It's important to research and understand these factors before trading. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of stock trade and made it more approachable for you. Remember, investing in stocks requires careful consideration and a willingness to learn continuously. Happy trading, and see you in our next video.